Of Doug Collins. Great to see you, Congressman.
Great to see you too, Liz.
Wait, do the Democrats have a point about all of this?
No, they don't have a point about this. Let's be fair. About most of those on the Judiciary Committee just a few months ago said they would vote no on any nominee put forward by the president. I'm not sure what papers they read at that point. I'm not sure what documents they were looking for at that point. They just simply said, we're going to vote no on whoever he sends up here. So I don't think this is a discussion about their reading ability or how much they want to read or how much they want to find. They simply want to delay and defer this nomination because they don't like this nomination.
Yeah, that's the point.
Let's just be honest about it.
Yeah, and you know, Mitch McConnell did point out that there's such a massive paper trail on Kavanaugh. Mitch McConnell warned that this could be a problem, and now we see it coming to fruition. But here's the thing. Joe Biden, Congressman, Joe Biden back in 1993, he launched what was called the Ruth Bader Ginsburg rule that says that Ruth Bader Ginsburg didn't have to talk about her personal views on anything. Remember, she was an ACLU litigator. She was basically arguing for legalizing prostitution and more. So this could all be moot. I mean, Kavanaugh may not even have to say anything about Roe v. Wade or any other issue. His personal views I'm talking about.
No, and I don't think he should. I think what he should do is answer the questions as they are put forward and not give away what he may or may not do hypothetically on the court. That's what's happened in every confirmation hearing that has ever gone on. We know their background. We have seen their writings. I love what he said. He says, don't read about my judicial opinions. Read the opinions. Undoubtedly, the Democrats on the committee don't want to read the opinion. They just want to play for the 2020 presidential election or maybe their next fundraising buffers. I don't know. But they knew they weren't going to vote for Kavanaugh to start with. They're simply finding every reason in the world to delay this. Yeah. They're not worried about document dumps. They just don't like the fact that President Trump won and this is his appointment.
But Congressman, it sure got fiery today. You make an important point that Democrats want to push this until after the midterms, hoping they seize back control of the Senate. So goodbye Kavanaugh and any other Trump nominee. But here's Chair Chuck Grassley fighting with Senate Democrat Rich Blumenthal today. Watch this.
Mr. Chairman, I ask for a vote.
Yeah.
I ask that we reconvene an executive session and have a vote.
I shouldn't have to explain to you we're having a hearing. It's out of order. We're not in executive session. That'd be the proper forum for entertaining motions.
I ask that we reconvene an executive session. We
won't vote on Senator Blumenthal's suggestion.
Mr. Chairman, if there is no vote on this motion, which has been properly seconded and which could be given a vote in executive session, this process will be tainted and stained forever.
Okay, let's back this up and put context here. Sir, we know that this disruption and the interruptions play well to the Democrat base, but Senator Dick Durbin, Congressman, did admit today that Chuck Schumer reportedly had a conference call and the battle plan was disrupt and delay. What's your take on Senator Dick Durbin confirming that in the hearing today?
I commend him for being honest. I think what we know is there was a coordinated effort. Chuck Schumer orchestrated this. Dick Durbin confirmed it. Mr. Blumenthal can say all he wants. If you want to talk about a tainted process, if you want to talk about that, then you talk about senators who said before the president even nominated his nominee for this position that they would not vote for this position. That's tainting a jury pool. That's somebody that's saying, I don't care what this person comes up and says. I don't care if they say everything I want. I'm voting no simply because I'm a Democrat and I don't like this. The ABA has given Judge Kavanaugh its highest legal opinion. It is highest ratings. They know who this is. They know that he's a brilliant legal mind going on the Supreme Court, and they know by their own past actions that they can do nothing about it except watch the process and basically pitch a fit while they have the hearing and get it to the floor. I commend Mitch McConnell. I commend Chairman Grassley for moving forward and not giving in to